Like this.
Benefits from meditation. I can focus a lot more.
It really helps in like clearing your mind, and it really gives you that much of, clarity in what's going around you. It makes you alert.
I'm always looking for ways to improve my meditation techniques or follow new technique. I would just say, just give it a go.
So namaste, salam, adam, vanakkam, sat shri akal, bonjour, bienvenue, boa tarde, ni hao ma. So hello everyone and welcome to the third episode of Open Up with Karan, featuring this time Miss Kai. She's from UK. So hello and welcome to my show. And
Hello.
so this time we'll be talking about meditation.
Okay, awesome.
So like my first question to you would be, like, what does meditation means to you?
To me, meditation is all about learning to be aware of your thoughts and directing your mind into more positive thinking and just to achieve a more, I guess, emotionally calm and stable state, I guess, is what I think when I think about meditation. Yeah.
So what I feel is that, many people, they look at meditation from a narrow tunnel perspective. They think in a way that it's some kind of a breathing technique. But what I feel is that it's something more than that.
Okay.
Meditation in its true sense is being in the present moment.
Okay.
It's a state where one tries to dispel anything or everything about the past and the future. Because in today's time, we are in this constant hustle bustle. We are just thinking of the things that have already happened in the past, or things that are perpetuated by some future aspirations.
Yeah.
Like we never really do something for the moment, right? In the moment. So I think meditation really helps in directing our conscious mind to the present moment, right?
Okay, yeah, absolutely. That's how I feel when I meditate.
So I feel it's very important to meditate.
About how I think that meditation improves my own mental health.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that I've definitely felt benefits from meditation. I feel I can focus a lot more. Focus and my concentration is better. I also think things like my levels of stress and anxiety have been lowered. And I do feel that I've an improved self-esteem.
Okay, yeah, absolutely.
Those are like my mental health benefits that I've visually seen within myself.
Yes, I've heard that meditation really helps in dealing with anxiety or depression also.
Oh yeah, I found that in just day-to-day life, I'm a lot less anxious. For example, talking to new people, visiting new places, tackling, like taking on new tasks.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, is there any particular type of meditation technique that you follow?
I'm not really sure if it has a name, because I started meditating through my friend. I sort of followed what she did, and then I sort of just copied her. But I think it's more of maybe like a mindfulness meditation, or maybe a
So how exactly
spiritual
do you do it?
meditation. So I start by just sitting upright on a mat, and I just tend to place my hands on my knees, and I close my eyes, and I play. I
Do
haven't.
you chant something?
We play some music,
Okay.
and it's the music and the voice that tells us like where to go in our heads.
Okay.
And then after that, we do some, like, when we sort of, like, our bodies feel a lot freer, they feel a lot looser.
Yeah.
So then after that, we tend to do some yoga, and I think that's for more. I think the sitting down and the meditation is for more mindfulness, and then the yoga we do a bit like sort of spiritual. We sort of go into shapes, and we like envision ourselves in other places, and Yeah, but again, I don't really know if it's got a specific name or word, but that's how I
Yeah,
start
there are
off.
different types of meditations.
Ah, okay, right then.
Have you
Yeah, there's
heard?
that.
Have you heard about mantra meditation?
I have heard about it, yeah.
In which
But you
basically
are
yeah. So I practice mantra meditation,
okay.
in which basically
Um,
you chant something like I chant Om.
okay.
It really helps in like clearing your mind, and it really gives you that much of clarity in what's going around you. It makes you alert.
Okay. And do you have
Yeah,
to like when you say this word do you have to like space it out, or do you just say like over and over?
it's called Om, like
Mm.
Om, like this.
Ah, okay, yes. I've definitely heard of this, yeah.
It really open up your senses and really makes you alert.
Ah, okay. Maybe
Yeah,
I can try this.
yeah, you should give it a
Yeah.
try.
I'm always looking for ways to improve my meditation techniques or follow new techniques. I like it. I think it's good. So
So you practice yoga also?
yeah, not as
Wow.
often as I would like to, but
Okay.
I do yoga sort of after I've meditated for about 10 minutes.
Is there any particular person you follow?
No,
Like who teaches
I'm
yoga?
no, it was just me and my friend because I don't have Instagram or anything like this.
Oh,
So I
okay.
just sort of go. It depends on what I'm feeling. If I feel like a light yoga session, or if I feel like yoga for my lower back, or for my for my arms or something, I'll just go into YouTube and I'll just put in whatever I
Okay.
sort of want to work on that day. No, I don't actually have a certain person that I follow. I think I follow everyone and anyone, to be fair.
Okay.
Maybe if I like try this meditation, maybe I can try Pilates.
It's
as
called
well.
Om, like OM.
Om.
Yeah,
O-M. Ah, okay. I'm gonna write it. Okay, thank you
I've written
for
it.
sending that to me.
Okay.
Okay. No,
So is
thank
there
you for
anything that you'd like to say in the end?
that. No, just I guess I don't want it to sound cliche, but I guess like meditation has really helped me in terms of becoming more focused, more self-aware, more mindfully aware, more spiritually aware. And I would just say, just give it a go. If
Yeah.
you feel that it's not for you, then it's not for you. But I feel like, at least try,
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
So when I started with this whole thing, even I used to feel that, it's nonsensical. But like
Yeah.
after doing it, I saw some like amazing, astonishing results.
Okay. And what's like the best result that you have seen through? Do you feel like you've gained a more like deeper appreciation for like the present moment and your life as it is through meditation?
I've become a lot more calmer. Like, because there was a time when I was like always hassled or like always getting hyper. But now I think I have become a lot more calmer. So that's something, yeah, that I've achieved.
Ah, okay. And okay, awesome. No, it sounds very good. I like what you're doing and what you're putting into practice.
Yeah, thank you. So in the end, I just want to say like thank you so much for like talking to me and speaking on it. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for inviting me. It's been very interesting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.